Completely different, huh?
You're
Love
glad
the
we
look.
loved it.
You look different
I
also
know,
from
I
the
know.
last time
Thank
I saw
you, I know. But Saif sir, what a thrilling journey you've had with Netflix. 10 saal ho gaye.
Ji.
You know, from Sacred Games to Jewel Thief and now Hum Hindustani. 10 years later, what does this journey mean to you and how does Hum Hindustani
Well,
mark this milestone?
You know, in a word, honestly, it feels like being at home because, yes, Netflix and I started off together 10 years ago, as you
Yes.
say, and it was a lovely, lovely show. Sacred Games was amazing. And I think it's always stood for high quality. And the people that we worked with, you know, even in the production, have made sure that we make a lovely kind of good-looking and very interesting product every time. I remember we shot a piece of film once, and it had gone for quality control. You have to shoot on certain levels of cameras. There's a certain standard set when you shoot for Netflix, and even the kind of minds that were writing and creating. So it's always been really, really interesting. And this time, to get a chance to do a film like this, to work with Pratik, our production MA has been incredible. We got a subject about India's, how India became the world's largest democracy. And it was an exciting story to tell, and it's been always been lovely, and I look forward to more, you know.
100%. We also want to know about your next collaboration with Netflix.
Oh, well, we
Yes.
just finished doing a movie called Kartavya,
Oh, wow.
which is really great, which Shah Rukh's company, Red Chillies, produced, and it's going to be coming out soon, and it's a really lovely piece by a director called Pulkit, and it's kind of, it's a beautiful, beautiful piece, so I'm very happy that that's also coming out on Netflix. So it's a year I'm looking forward to.
Congratulations.
Sorry to go on about another movie.
And now coming to one of my favorite actors of our generation, Pratik Gandhi. एक बार
Yes.
जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं Pratik के लिए, guys. You were fantastic in सारे जहां से अच्छा. मैंने back to back सारे episodes देख डाले. यार सारे जहां से अच्छा में एक patriotic vibe थी. धूमधाम में comedy चल रही है. Coming back to this, how does the up and down in the entire, characterization feel?
It feels really great to work in different genre. When you have compelling stories, smart writings, brilliant directors, and most talented actors that you get to work with, I guess you have to amp up your game. And when a platform gives you this kind of freedom to experiment, the least an actor can do is experiment fearlessly. Then the result, as you said, you like it.
Yeah.
People, when they clap about it, it really feels great. It encourages us to do more experiments. So yes, thanks to a platform like Netflix, which actually democratized the whole entertainment world. And as we are talking about democracy, I guess this is the best film to come up with.
क्या बात है.
क्या बात है.
Congratulations, and to many more, we love seeing you on Netflix.
Right. And now it's time to welcome the creators on stage. Please welcome the filmmaker with fearless vision, Rahul Dholakia, and the three visionaries, producers Nikhil Advani, Monisha Advani, and Madhu Bhojwani.
Oh my God, what a powerful team, I must say. वैसे Rahul, starting with you, I have a question for you. आपकी सभी कहानियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा हटकर होती हैं. I always look forward to your storytelling. So a story like this, which is so rare and really looks like it's something which should have been told. कहाँ से आई ये कहानी आपके पास?
1950 से.
You don't look that old at all.
Yeah, it's a fascinating story. It's a true story of how India became a democracy and how they carried out the first election. So actually more about how we did it. सब कुछ scratch से करना पड़ा. I mean, there was no census नहीं था, ballot box क्या था मालूम नहीं था. There were 85% illiteracy. There were kingdoms who wanted monarchy. There were about 13 states, which was almost half of India at that time. And they hired dacoits and all kinds of stuff. So in all this, the election commissioner, with his team, goes and does India's first elections, which not America had been able to do because there was no universal adult suffrage over there, in the sense that blacks were not allowed to vote till about 1964. Women voters were not allowed in European countries. But we did it in our country, and with absolutely no resources. So that's the fascinating part.
Amazing. And to the producers, I'd like to ask कि आपकी journey कैसी रही है, bringing this larger than life story to life?
मुझे सिर्फ अपना गोडाउन में जाना पड़ा क्योंकि रॉकेट बॉयज फ्रीडम एट मिडनाइट, तो मुझे लग रहा है कि जब राहुल ने टुक द स्टोरी टू नेटफ्लिक्स, दे थॉट कि हाउ कैन वी मेक इट इन अ स्मॉलर बजट, तो इसके पास तो ऑलरेडी होगा, विंटेज कार होगा, विंटेज कॉस्ट्यूम होगा, विंटेज प्रॉप्स होंगे, सो दे कॉन्टैक्टेड मी. And then I spoke to both Monisha and Madhu, and we said, listen, we are doing one more period show, and everybody just held their heads. But we are very proud. We are very proud that Rahul chose us, and Netflix allows us, and this is a very important story, so we are very proud to say it. Yeah.
Lovely. Ma'am, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगी?
I just think it's incredible that we are on Netflix. You know, it's the 10th anniversary, and I just heard how important it is that Saif, who kicked off their journey in India, is someone who's in this film, and I think this is a big honor for us. So really proud. Thank you.
Now, we can't wait to watch this. अब इतने photogenic लोग हैं यहाँ. सैफ सर हैं. सैफ सर तो खूबसूरती के प्रतीक हैं. तो आइए एक खूबसूरत सा फोटो हो जाए. Let's all come together. है ना? Thank you.